Are you tired of seeing our planet Earth being polluted by the use of fossil fuels, which includes obtaining them and burning them as fuel? Are you sick of hearing about global warming and climate change and the effects that greenhouse gases are having on the temperature of the Earth, while the lives of animals like polar bears are being threatened? Then the answer to all your problems is here. It is the hydrogen fuel cell. A hydrogen fuel cell is a tool that can harness energy from breaking bonds and converting that into energy such as electricity to fuel our daily lives. The only fuel required for the fuel cell to work is hydrogen and oxygen. Where to get the hydrogen, you might ask? From water and electricity in the process of electrolysis. Hydrogen is also produced by the use of biofuels, so it does not require drilling or going down deep into the earth like fossil fuels do. But wait, that is not the best part. The only thing that hydrogen fuel cells emit is water and a little bit of heat. These fuel cells are incredibly more environmentally friendly because it does not emit greenhouse gases and cause global warming like those fossil fuels that we use today. Unlike fossil fuels that will eventually run out, the hydrogen and oxygen that is used as fuel will not, since this process is self-sustaining. How can that be? The water that is reduced can be turned back into hydrogen and oxygen to use again and again. That's how. These fuel cells can change the world with all of its potential uses. These astonishing fuel cells can replace a typical combustion engine in your car. In fact, it is better than the engine that you have because this fuel cell has less moving parts, so it is that more efficient. This is only one way that hydrogen fuel cells can be applied to fuel our everyday lives. They can power any appliance, portable or stationary. This is only one example of a fuel cell. There are multiple types, such as the alkaline, phosphoric acid, proton exchange membrane, molten carbonate, and the solid oxide fuel cell that will be used based on the need. The possibilities are endless to what fuel cells can do, and thankfully, so is the supply of hydrogen.